everybody, it's Thomas with Get Out Arizona, and you're watching another exciting episode of On Trail. Maybe not today. I'm telling you, it's going to be a short ride, and it's going to be kind of boring, guys, but God bless for you guys watching anyways. There's Esmeralda. You guys know she's my baby, and I'm here in the White Tank Mountains Regional Park in Waddell, Arizona, my backyard, to dial in the Sram Transmission group set that we just put on. I don't think it needs it, but I'm going to do a short 15, 12-mile ride anyways, and I figured I'd share that with you guys. So we got some overcast. It's gorgeous. It's 72 degrees. That's why I live in Arizona, my friends. So let's get started. I won't waste any more time, but before we do, what do we always say? Be kind to yourself and others. Be amazing stewards on the trail. And I have to ask, as we tilt, maybe you can see some of that glorious sky up there, up top and everything like that. What are you waiting for? Get out, Arizona. It's time for that next adventure, my friends. Let's get going.
And all the cows. It's one of those things. So, and they do roam the park, so you gotta be careful. You don't want to hit one of those suckers. You can see they got some cats with them. That's my future dinner. Warning, equestrians and bicycles not recommended for travel. Hazardous conditions beyond this point. Ask me if I've gone past this point. And most of you guys and gals who follow the trail or follow the channel No, I have. Another segment for another day, my friends. Whew. Clouds are rolling in. And as far as I'm concerned, conditions don't get any better than this. So, yep. Gonna sip on a little water here and start heading back. But it's been awesome so far. And the Sram transmission has been flawless. Absolutely on point. So, let's keep moving. This part's my nemesis too. But I did it. Yeah, you win some, you lose some. That was a win.
So rookie move, I didn't bring an extra battery for the 360 camera, and that's why that got cut short. You know, it was on the tail end of it. I'm sure you guys weren't that thrilled with the video anyways. Again, we're in the white tanks. It's my home course, so to speak. And I was out here mainly to dial in the Sram transmission, which, to be honest with you, it didn't need it. That thing was on point. Shifted under load several times. You know, it just did really, really good. Just I mean, up, down, it was in tight, no worries whatsoever. And as you can see, the rain is coming. It's actually sprinkling right now. So again, the conditions were perfect and it was ideal for a ride today. And it's been a while since I've actually hit the pedals since Vegas, as a matter of fact. Been busy, a little under the weather. Again, no pun intended with today. So thanks guys for watching. I really appreciate it. You know the drill. Like, subscribe, bell notification icon helps out the channel. Follow us on social media, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, the devil's work, but gets the word out for Get Out Arizona. And at this point, again, guys, we close out the same way we start out. Be kind to yourself and others. Be amazing stewards on the trail. And we have to ask, there's Esmeralda. There's the desert view behind me. You can see the storm rolling in. What are you waiting for? Get Out Arizona. We'll see you on the next adventure, my friends. Take care.